Well, welcome back and good morning on this, gloomy Saturday California morning. It is going to warm up. I just woke up. It's about 6 o'clock. My hair looks crazy. But I ran out of K-cups, so I had to go to the Enemy and get myself a Starbucks. Today, let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, two, without spilling coffee on my face. There we go. Today, got to go up to Anaheim, going to go up to Disney Drive, going to go around some places up there. Been feeling a bit under the weather since I got back, so looks like I got a mustache. So today's the first day I've finally been feeling better since being back from the Philippines. Never fails. Early morning, hot rodded, but as I was saying, feeling better. Gonna head up to Anaheim. I don't have a mustache. I have more of a beard. I don't know why it's coming in so dark though. What am I eating? Anyways, let's go. Got the local tattoo shop next door, and don't let that sign fool you. It is not open, regardless what that says. But it's From the Heart Tattoo, and walk-ins are welcome. And if you, well, in my day, well, even before my day, but my day, tattoos were still kind of frowned upon. You know, it's kind of one of those things where, you know, people that had them, up to no good, troublemakers. Now it seems everybody has them, but they always stood for, you know, kind of doing what you want, self-expression. But look at this. No hagglers, no whining, no drunks, no loitering, no smoking, no vapes. That's a lot of rules for being against the system, tattoo shop. I guess so, because they just want you to know, because it's from the heart. Okay, before I start my trip and start our day, I had to stop by CVS real quick, but look at this. Look at these fellas. Wow, check out that gear, man. And it's on sale too, clearance. This could be you. Can you imagine waking up next to somebody? Terrifying. Okay, now on to Anaheim. As promised, we made it to Anaheim, and here we are at the Garden Walk, right by Disney. Gonna head inside the Scotella right here, and these are the people that refuse to sell to Disney. They don't want to keep their small little motels. But it's about 10 a.m. We're a little bit early, so we're gonna go kill some time. Also, looks like Pixar Fest is going on right now at the Anaheim Resort. All right, let's go. Well, I can't remember the last time I was here, but look at right behind me. So the House of Blues has moved here a long time ago, actually now, but got McCormick and Schmidt's, got Pizza Kitchen, P.F. Chang's. I think we're gonna head over to Cheesecake Factory when they open, but yeah, it seems pretty quiet around here for Mother's Day weekend, and no shortage of palm trees. You know, you're in Southern California with that, but all right, we're gonna go look around and maybe I'll find something cool. Who knows? I'm just glad to be out of the house. Check out this art piece. That thing's pretty cool. If you haven't seen my buddy Danny Punk's life, he went to Cheech's art museum or art display that he has going on in Riverside. Check out his channel, Danny Punk's Life. Really some cool pieces. And of course the ever popular angel wings. Anaheim House of Jerky. Well, it's like I said, it was about 10 o'clock, and another fun pick right there. The ever so fascinating escalator pick. All right, Starbucks is open. I'm gonna head over there. I got some people following me. Like a whole crew of them. What the heck? Oh, and there's JW Marriott next door. That's pretty new. I ended up going with the chocolate nitro, I can't even speak. Chocolate nitro cold cream coffee brew. It's a lot of words to put in. Got a King's coffee. I had to actually look at these people hanging out with the statues. Oh, they're doing some fun pics. can also take a flight on a fighter jet, but I'm gonna have to wait for my pops to come to do that. Warning, low and fast flying jets in the vicinity. Whoa. They have this, and they also have race cars too.
Oh, here's the directory.
I feel like this place is cool, but part of it is like fallen into... Yes. To disrepair. Look at that. Like, fix that. That's terrible. Those are some sad looking Star Wars fighters. So we're outside the Cheesecake Factory waiting for them to open at 11. And I was gonna say, right here on Catella, over there is like the overflow, or I believe it's, that's cast parking. Because it shows the Disneyland parks, and then they cut around and bust them in. But today's a really, really slow day. I was just looking at Disneyland parks, and most of the rides here are 5, 10, 25. I think the longest wait right now is Big Thunder for 45 minutes. It's 10 o'clock. That's crazy on Mother's Day weekend. Classic car. Whoa. All right. So I'm not trying to be mean, but if you are around Anaheim, this is a common sight. I mean, you'll see this quite a bit. So just be careful. I mean, if you got kids, there's a lot of homeless people cruising. A lot of 7-Elevens down that way. Oh, my finger. 7-Elevens down that way. So a lot of people hang out there, and a lot of the bus stops. So, yep, not always the nicest place. Still waiting for them to open. Look at P.F. Chang's. That is not the most appetizing. I mean, it's probably pretty good. It looks like the Mongolian beef, but that is not the most appetizing photo. What is going on? And then Celebrate Mom with heart-shaped. I guess that's a strange. That doesn't really look like a heart. They should do it like a human heart. All right, so we just finished Cheesecake Factory and heading over to Bolero. But look at this. Got the aquarium going on down here where you can drop off your car. It's kind of different, I would say. Look at all the fishies. Very cool. All right, so we went in Bolero. Right now, I'll show you the prices. We did get a lane, so this is what the breakdown is. It's downstairs over here. That's the bowling pricing. You gotta pay $5.99 shoe rental. Bowling prices per person per game. $8.99 before 4 p.m. So $9 a person. And then these are with the lanes. I'll show you when we go over there a little bit more. All right, so it's been some time. Your boy got a 1 on his first one. Brett's got a spare. Loses up. And wow. Really, man? Better than what I did. So look at that. There it is. Okay, I'm just giving them a taste. I'm gonna totally redeem myself. All right, so I just picked up the spare, and last time she bowled, watch. Whoa, she's throwing it. That's wild. Oh, so as I was saying, I'm trying to think because I was watching the ball go from here. Yeah, this place is fun. I think I could challenge Danny Punk's life anytime, or even my old man. Bring it on, or anybody else that comes out here. I'll play it. They got this super scary portal over there. I've been seeing this out of the corner of my eye the whole time, but I think this place would be real fun to, come here and just watch some games. Like if the Angels are playing, if they're losing to the Dodgers and Ohtani, that'd be really cool. I did get over 100 in my first one, so. Whoa, almost a spare.
Real quick while they got strong. You can change the people up here, and they'll have, well, that was a ball going backwards. But the bumpers will come up too per each player, which is kind of good. But there's ball.
Well, bowling was pretty cool, but glad to say I do feel better. I got back, traffic was a nightmare. That's why I just tried to get out of Anaheim. Got the appropriate shirt on. The Dodgers are about to play the Padres. Hopefully they can pull it off tonight, not like the meltdown last night. But once again, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm feeling better. I sound better. So more videos to come, man. As always, see you next time. No northern lights here. That's sure it's just dusty and dirty and great ball of fire in the sky.